Gati Shakti will go much further with respect to the cost of doing business element in making India's manufacturing competitive for both domestic demand and for exports. An enhanced ease of doing business coupled with an open democracy and increasingly friendly investor laws offers a strong proposition to investors, reducing as they do the risk of doing business. Changing global trade relations, geopolitics, and COVID-induced supply chain disruptions have compelled businesses to rebalance their supply chains. Given the dual advantage of ease and lower risk, multimodal connectivity holds the key to supply chain rebalancing decisions for global investors, and a well-executed Gati Shakti vision will undoubtedly attract investment. The National Master Plan ties in well with the Prime Minister's vision for agriculture. Logistics, even at the stage of the primary produce, is a significant portion of the cost of the produce. The primary processed food market is projected to rise from $200 billion to over $500 billion, but only 10 to 15% of primary processed food goes towards higher value-added processing. Even in our exports of over 40 billion, only 14% is processed food. A multimodal infrastructure push alongside the development of planned mega food parks and agro-processing centers and rural connectivity with optic fiber cables at each village level will accelerate the value chain development of agri-food produce. Tourism is an area that affords ample opportunity for growth and employment generation. With an expenditure of over 21 billion annually on outbound tourism, there's a strong potential to channel international tourism to domestic tourism with an opportunity to double the quantum of domestic tourists on a pure comparison basis. This sector stands to gain strongly from Gati Shakti. The Honorable Prime Minister recently referred to entrepreneurs as growth ambassadors. Sir, your government is leaving no stone unturned to make India the destination of choice in all respects. And I'd like to assure you that as Indian entrepreneurs, we will do the country proud. Thank you.
बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद आपका। CEO and MD टाटा स्टील लिमिटेड and President CII श्री PV नरेंद्रन से अब हम अनुरोध करते हैं कि कृपया अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करें।
The Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, Cabinet Ministers, other distinguished ministers, Chief Ministers, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. The last 2 decades of leadership in public office by our Honorable Prime Minister has witnessed some of the most landmark reforms and initiatives that this country has seen. So you transformed the landscape for us in industry, first in Gujarat and then across the country in the last 7 years. Today, on behalf of the entire industry, as stand as CII President, I must compliment you on the stellar National Development Initiative. The launch of PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan will be a game changer for the industry and would help to harness the potential of the industry in line with your vision of scale and speed. Back in 2006, we had under the India at 75 vision dreamt of India as a developed nation, and today as we celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav under your leadership, we are again seeing this dream take shape. Your personal engagement and trust is instrumental to the transformation of the infrastructure sector that we are seeing today, marked by innovative policies, significant funding, and close and continuous monitoring. Gati Shakti is yet another exemplary program in this endeavor. So on behalf of industry, I would like to underline 5 important highlights which we think is going to have a far-reaching impact. First, with the GIS-based ERP system to map the existing and proposed connectivity projects, there will be a great clarity on how different regions and industrial hubs in the country are linked, particularly for last-mile connectivity. Second, a holistic and integrated transport connectivity strategy which incorporates roads and highways railways, ports, airports and waterways into a single well-targeted synergistic network will greatly support Make in India and integrate different modes of transport. 3, it will greatly add to manufacturing competitiveness in this country. The competitiveness of Indian industry is sometimes disadvantaged because of higher logistics costs, and this initiative will surely go a long way to address that. 4, the infrastructure construction can be a large employment multiplier in this country, creating new job opportunities in the rural areas as well, which is much needed. In fact, new connectivity and linkages will enable the regions that are currently excluded to be added into the economic mainstream and generate consequent business opportunities. 5, Gati Shakti will enable and facilitate planning, implementation, monitoring and administration of transport infrastructure projects on an ongoing basis and will institutionalize it. So, as we welcome yet another transformative idea and reform from you, let me reiterate on behalf of industry and CII that we shall remain committed, as always, to supporting you as you build a modern and new India. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका। अब हमारा आग्रह है श्री दीपक गर्ग आपसे, जो को फाउंडर हैं रिविगो के, कि कृपया अपने उद्गार प्रकट करें।
Honorable Prime Minister, Ministers on the dais, and respected dignitaries in the audience. Thank you for providing me the opportunity to share my thoughts today on the Gati Shakti initiative. Gati Shakti is the most profound and unprecedented program India has ever launched for our nation's progress. This will not just give Gati to our aspiration of building a $5 trillion economy, but also inspire billions of young entrepreneurs like me to contribute towards building the new India. My personal entrepreneurship story started in 2014 in the space of logistics, and Gati has been an observant participant and beneficiary of all the infrastructure and policy initiatives of the last 7 years, be it GST, road infrastructure, build-outs, fast tags, digital India and so on. Last 7 years have also seen Indian entrepreneurship and startup space come of age. There is unbridled enthusiasm and belief that we can be the best in the world. I see youth of India in every small town aspiring to be a job creator and planning big and bold new ideas. The timing of this program, Honorable Prime Minister, is terrific in that respect. Gati Shakti will provide the next set of trust and boost to entrepreneurs like me and million others who are always looking for Gati and Shakti to build their dreams and contribute to building the new India. There are 3 key thoughts that I would like to share with you all today. First, the size and scale of the program is extraordinary. This is a bigger plan than anything India has ever seen, and it competes with big infrastructure spending of economies like the US and China. It is once in a generation investment in India that will lift the lives of millions of Indians out of poverty, provide jobs and entrepreneurship opportunities to the youth, and get India ready to be the most innovative and resilient economy of the 21st century. Second, the economic impact of such an initiative is immense. Every dollar investment leads to 20 cents of socio-economic outcome. The multiplier impact of such an investment is unprecedented. The other way to look at this is, if you are able to shave off 6 percentage points out of a logistics cost of 14% and bring it down to 8%, we are talking about a very large saving flowing through the economy. We all know that India will not become a superpower by being a domestic economy. We need to be the manufacturing and service hub of the world. While Digital India and focus on technology has set up India well for the service exports for times to come, I believe Gati Shakti will lower the cost of logistics significantly and make our manufactured exports competitive. This will unleash the new wave of entrepreneurship in India and significantly boost the Make in India program. Third is the network effects. Given the Gati Shakti program is anchored centrally and all ministries work together to break silos and work on an integrated plan, we may see big network effects emerge. Network effect is when addition of a single node adds value to the entire network. a single road somewhere can add value to the airport network and port network and so on and so forth. Measuring network effects will lead to the ROI measurement of the projects in the right spirit and will ensure that every rupee will go to the right and productive resources. This is something South Korea and Australia has done in the recent past, and I'm very positive about the plan and the impact it can generate. There cannot be a better time in our history to build in India. There are infinite opportunities and infinite possibilities in the new India. I urge my fellow entrepreneurs to dream bigger and bolder. If not now, then when? As Honorable Prime Minister said in his Independence Day speech, very poetically and very aptly, यही समय है, सही समय है, भारत का अनमोल समय है. जय हिंद.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका. कार्य विशेषज्ञों नित्यम राष्ट्रहिते रतः. इन पंक्तियों को चरितार्थ करते हुए माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी कर्तव्यबद्ध होकर नित्य राष्ट्रहित में संलग्न हैं. हम सब सौभाग्यशाली हैं कि हम सब उन पलों के साक्षी बन रहे हैं जब माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में भारत की विश्व में साख भी है और धाक भी. जब देश में सामान्य जन के जीवन स्तर से लेकर पूरे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तक सुखद कायाकल्प हो रहा है. भारत गर्व की पराकाष्ठा. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से हम सबकी विनम्र अनुनय है कि कृपया हम सबको संबोधित करें, हम सबका मार्गदर्शन करें.
नमस्कार. केंद्रीय मंत्रिमंडल के मेरे सहयोगी श्री नितिन गडकरी जी, पीयूष गोयल जी, हरदीप सिंह पुरी जी, श्री सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जी, श्री ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया जी, श्री अश्विनी वैष्णव जी, श्री राजकुमार सिंह जी, अलग अलग राज्य सरकारों के आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्रीगण, लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर्स, राज्य मंत्रिमंडल के सदस्य बहनों, आज दुर्गाष्टमी है. पूरे देश में आज शक्ति स्वरूपा का पूजन हो रहा है, कन्या पूजन हो रहा है. और शक्ति की उपासना के इस पुण्य अवसर पर देश की प्रगति की गति को भी शक्ति देने का शुभ कार्य हो रहा है. ये समय भारत की आजादी के 75 वर्ष का है, आजादी के अमृत काल का है. आत्मनिर्भर भारत के संकल्प के साथ हम अगले 25 वर्षों के भारत की बुनियाद रच रहे हैं. पीएम गति शक्ति नेशनल मास्टर प्लान भारत के इसी आत्मबल को, आत्मविश्वास को, आत्मनिर्भरता के संकल्प तक ले जाने वाला है. ये नेशनल मास्टर प्लान 21वीं सदी के भारत को गति शक्ति देगा. नेक्स्ट जनरेशन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और मल्टी मॉडल कनेक्टिविटी को इस नेशनल प्लान से गति शक्ति मिलेगी. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से जुड़ी सरकारी नीतियों में प्लानिंग से लेकर एग्जीक्यूशन तक को ये नेशनल प्लान गति शक्ति देगा. सरकार के प्रोजेक्ट्स तय समय सीमा के भीतर पूरे हों, इसके लिए ये गति शक्ति नेशनल प्लान सही जानकारी और सटीक मार्गदर्शन करेगा.
गति शक्ति के इस महाअभियान के